Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's OP video update for Wednesday 24th of August. I do see OP making that green candle movement to the upside. That's actually quite good. Right now the reason why is probably because you came down to the 55, touched the 55 and back tested, and now you're probably trying to make a small pull to the upside. Now the question is that there is a EMA squeeze that can happen now for this coin at the moment. You went below underneath the 55. I was expecting it to come to 0.92, but it unfortunately broke some bearish pattern and started to move higher. The question really is, are you good enough to continue higher? That's the question, and we need that question answered. Now, at the moment, there is no answer to that. There's no no, there's no yes. It depends on what happens next. You came up, got rejected the 20 and the 10 EMA, right? That yellow line and the red line. And then you have this blue line, 55 EMA, that you just bounced off. Now, the fact that you're getting rejected here is not a good sign, and there's still chances to move down lower. So you're going to see this thing coming down, that one coming down as well, the 55 coming in as well. And you could have decision coming by maximum 28th of August. So in the next 4 days, you can see a pop, probably continue higher, or popped and continue to go lower. Now there's one more hint that we can get. There's one more evidence that we can use, and that is trend line trading. Okay, so let's bring in a trend line and let's talk about resistance level. So here's a trend line right now, and it seems like you are breaking out of a mini, that's a good sign. Okay, you're breaking out of this support list because number one, you did have rejection right there, rejection right here. You had one rejection nearly there, one rejection right here, and right now you've made a bullish closing and you're coming in for the retest. You could actually end up coming a little bit lower tomorrow and start to move a little bit higher as well. So let's dive into the 4-hour time frame. This is going to be way clearer on a 4-hour time frame. So yeah, even the 4-hour time frame shows evidence that it's a breakout. Okay, so yes, that's a very positive sign right now. Okay, so that's the first resistance there, resistance here, went a little bit lower, came up, resistance there, came down again, it went up, resistance here, went down again, break it out, came down for the retest, pretty much holding the retest. So what I can say is it is a pretty good sign right now. But due to Bitcoin, you still have to be very careful, okay? And what I like about retest is that, I don't like the retest personally. This retest is not something that I like, because if you are about to go for a retest, it's important to have retest that really hugs and cuts deep into the line itself. You don't want to make a wick. This wick retest is a very weak retest, WEAK. That's a very weak kind of retest. If you understand what I'm saying, retest should be like the following. Come here and the body should be closing right above these levels and spending some time and then go up. Those are the retests that I want to see. So there are good chances that this can be a failure of a retest and try to go below it. Now there's one more support that I can tell you that is going to be retested, and you haven't retested that support, and that is actually this double bottom that you see right here. So you did have a double bottom right there and you broke to the upside. So there are good chances that you came down like this, you could go up and still come down again to 1.203 and actually retest this double bottom and retest that trend line as well. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on OP. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.